Welcome to this video, where we will guide you step by step on how to turn on or off the Avoid Difficult Intersections feature in the Waze app on your phone. This setting helps you customize your navigation experience by letting you avoid complicated intersections while driving, making your journey smoother and safer. First, open the Waze app on your smartphone. Next, look at the top left corner and tap on the three horizontal lines. Then, scroll down the menu and tap on the Settings option. Now, inside the Settings menu, tap on the Navigation option. This section controls how Waze chooses your routes and which roads it prefers or avoids. After that, look for the option labeled Avoid Difficult Intersections and tap on it. Finally, you will see two choices: Always or Never. Selecting Always will make Waze route you around difficult intersections whenever possible. Choosing Never means Waze will not avoid these intersections and will give you the most direct routes, regardless of complexity. Pick the option that best suits your driving style. Make sure to customize this feature to match your preferences for safer and easier navigation. Thank you for watching.